I used to be part of an embellishment collaboration on the 11th of every month, and I absolutely love the rhythm of that, and I'm so grateful for that season. So I decided to keep the rhythm going right here. So welcome to 11th and Embellish. Hi, I'm Nikki, Little Crafty Nook, and today I want to show you my panda bear balloons. These will make awesome birthday cards. This is my first little guy here. I love the playful colors in the pattern paper. And they're just a little bit different. I attached a clip of how I made these. And so let's start. First, I'm starting off with my little panda. This is from a bunch of Cricut cuts that I received from a friend at church. Then I'm going to take my balloon die. This is a cluster of 3, which I think is going to be really cute. And I'm going to die cut this piece, both in the cardstock and a piece of cute pattern paper that I found. I cut them both at the same time, so let's see what we have. This cut off at the top, but that's okay because I'm only going to be cutting out this middle piece. This is the main piece. We're going to have the 2 mauve color balloons, and then I'm going to put the pattern piece on this. Okay, a little minor surgery there. We're going to glue this onto here. There we have our balloon set. Now I'm going to take my dark gray and color this so it's black, more of a black. I will be placing these balloons in the arms of this adorable panda, and these will go on cards to wish someone, a very special person, a very special birthday wish. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon when I make these cards. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.